Alright, again, thanks for clicking on the video. Sorry if there's any wind. I got that cool fan going right there. Never done this before. This is going to be my first time, so you're going to watch me either fail or get this right. Hopefully I don't mess up my tank in the process. As far as I know, just need a couple hammers and start going at it. Watch for creases, as I heard from Brian636, and maybe put some support in there extra, but here goes nothing, I guess. Hopefully I get it right. Man, this sucks. Where to hit first? Man, this is hurting me on the inside so much. And there goes the paint. That is not what I wanted to happen. This is already a pimming problem. Let's see. Now this is creating a problem already. I guess I shouldn't have just started whacking at it. Stuff's pretty tough. I saw a little bit of gas come out right there. Fuck. There we go, it's flattening out now, but I did fuck up a little bit right here, if you can see that. But I'm gonna patch it up a little bit with some JB Weld steel stick I got, and my gas level's getting a little closer to the top now. There we go. This is about where I want it. Feels pretty comfortable and good this way. It looks kind of crappy, but I guess it'll do the trick. It's really hurting me on the inside how I'm only going to hold like a gallon, 2 gallons or something, but I guess I have no choice if I want to do some new tricks. Hey there, I'm back from the store. We got some steel stick here. I know this stuff works awesome. It's why I use it on the handlebars. It works really strong. It actually says it's for fuel tanks. So perfect. Because I fucked up a little bit. I tried to kind of hammer in this hole, like the metal getter, so it wouldn't leak so bad when I put this on top. And I ended up creating a bigger hole. So I'm going to put a ton of this stuff and hope it holds well, but I'm pretty satisfied with the way it looks right now. It started off bad, but I like it. It fits me pretty good when I sit on it. We won't really know till I try it, which I've never done it before on a sport bike, so we'll see how that goes. But I won't really know till then. Tank is looking good. It holds, the gas here is fine. You can see it right at the very, no, well, you can't, it's dark. You can see it right at the very top there. I'll probably put some holes just to be safe so it gets a little bit more flow. But screws on just fine. It's just that one thing, and then I just need to put the HT motor on. The HT motor I got here is the same stuff as my seat, my tail saver. So it's gonna match. You know, you gotta have a fly looking bike. Just kidding, I had to beat the crap out of this thing. But well, I guess I'm sort of dedicated to it now. I'm gonna put this stuff on. I gotta cut out my seat. I think I'm going to possibly, I might do the kill switch mod where you put a pin through there, because if I'm gonna be doing tank tricks, I do not want to kick that. That would suck. So there goes nothing, I guess. You guys have used this before, but the way this stuff works is you cut a little bit off, you knead it till it turns white. You put it on, in about 10 minutes it starts to harden, and it only takes an hour to cure, I believe. And this stuff is hard as a rock. It definitely earns the name of steel stick. It is very, very strong. So hopefully it'll hold with that. And I might use a little more to kind of fill in some space here, since I got it, may as well. So yeah, here we go. Here we go. So we're kneading it, getting it to change colors here, get all that black mixed in with the gray. Okay, next step with today's fun task is throwing a hole in this seat. I'm just gonna say fuck it and go full stunt bike. I should have done this a long time ago, but yeah, I guess all I gotta do is take the Dremel, cut out a square, cut an X on the inside, wrap it in tape, boom, stunt seat, and that'll work for now. And if I get to it, I'll cut this shorter today. I need to cut this metal piece here. I just cut it enough before so the bars can clear when I threw all my fairings back on, because, well, I guess you guys didn't really see all the fairings back on there. But I might need to cut that a little bit more if I start putting my feet over the top. I may or may not do that today if I feel like it. Also, I could throw some more pegs on there. I got some better ones than these. I just gotta modify them a little bit to fit on there. So I might do that too. I don't know. I got a couple of things to work on. I'm gonna see, but I think that'll work if I go. As you can see, this is very professional. Here it clips in, so I gotta at least keep this, and I gotta at least keep that. So I could go away far as back as here if I wanted to. But we're gonna try this first and see if that's enough room for my foot. Okay, this is gonna be hard. Shit, I just put a hole in that. Whoops. As I was saying, this is gonna be kind of hard to do while holding the camera, so I'll show you the finished product in a moment. Boom! Not bad if I do say so myself. It was pretty straightforward. The hardest part was just cutting the bottom piece, because it was kind of awkward with the Dremel. Just cutting that out. But here's how you do it if you're wondering. So what I did is I kind of looked at the bottom, got my idea where I was going to cut, made sure to keep the front and back to where it needs to connect. Cut an X roughly where you need to, the hole is going to be, and then after you have cut this out, or with the Dremel, cut the bottom side out, you want to cut the foam out of there without cutting this black material. Reason being is that foam is going to bend in, this black material is going to bend in here, and you're going to wrap it with the tape to kind of reinforce it a little bit. So that's pretty much the idea. Just so leave the triangles you cut out, like with the X, take all the foam out of here, and then just put tape around each side like I did. If you do it smoothly, it doesn't look too bad, honestly. Sorry there's not much light, but it doesn't look too bad. I did do extra tape here. I went over twice, just because my foot's going to be there more often. I'm sure it's going to break eventually. And then I did have to cut just slightly where it has to slide in the back here and the little hole here. But otherwise, it's pretty good. I'm still waiting for this to cure. It's been, I think, about an hour or so. I'll probably sand this down soon and get the HT motor on. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. This wasn't too hard. So it's a full-fledged stunt bike now. Well, besides the steel subframe and 12 bar. And then we'll pretty much be a full-fledged stunt bike. So yeah, thank you. We're almost done. You'll see the finished product very soon. Oh, I'm excited, guys. The time is coming. I'm about to get this HT motor on there, and the tank will actually look like legitimate and nice. I was gonna clean it off with rubbing alcohol, but I could not find any, so I'm just gonna use a wet rag, I guess, to get this surface semi clean. But it looks pretty good there. I hope my power commander in here doesn't move. I mean, it's pretty sturdy in there. I don't think my foot will kick it, but it's kind of in the back corner. Hopefully it doesn't ever rain on it. That'd be very bad. But yeah. Oh, I'm excited. I'm about to get this HT motor on here. It's gonna be a full-fledged stunt bike finally. Look, take a look at that. That looks pretty legit once we got the HT motor on there. I like the way it came out. Like I said in the beginning of the video before, this turned out bad at the beginning, but not so bad. Hopefully it doesn't leak any fluids. Well, this kind of looks awkward, but my battery's about to die. Thank you guys for watching this video, watching me kind of struggle and sort of get it eventually. I'm happy with the product. It came out good. I think this will work for what I'm thinking. Man, I'm terrible at doing vlogs. I'll try to upload more. I mean, I've been a little busy lately in life, so I'll let you know how the stunt bike stuff's going along. I'll do some more wheelies. I got roll and burnouts down on lock now. You guys, thanks for watching. You have a wonderful night, wonderful day, whatever it may be. Yeah, see you in the next video.